What's up guys, so Samsung just released a new teaser about the Galaxy A90 today, which confirms that it's gonna have a rotating pop-up selfie slider camera design. And in this video we also conclude the leaks and clear the confusion about the Galaxy A90. It's gonna have a full front bezel-less display with even a smaller chin than the iPhone XS, and there might be a separate Galaxy A80 phone that Samsung launched alongside the Galaxy A90. From past couple of days we have heard that the Galaxy A80 and the A90 are the same device, and I've talked about it on my Facebook page, but recently Sonak caught that the image URL of the Galaxy A1 shows that this is going to be a launch event for the Galaxy A90, whereas today we got the benchmark result here, and that actually showed the model number Galaxy A80, which scores pretty decent and more than the Galaxy S8 family, which has a Snapdragon 835 chipset but not the level of Snapdragon 845. And as you can see here, it is rocking a Snapdragon 675 chipset, which is actually a very capable mid-range processor, but according to the leaks we will be seeing Snapdragon 755 or 7150 chips, so there's a huge possibility we might see two Galaxy A models, A90 and A80, with almost very similar design. Difference will be just for the internal chipset. And as the launch video shows, there isn't only one device that will be launching in a couple of hours, so they might also unveil their Galaxy A60 there, which will have even more beautiful Infinity O display design than the S10 family. So yes, Samsung will be made everything official in just couple of hours, and I'll be making a full video about what happened today, so stay tuned to subscribe, and as always, see you soon.